Hello colleagues! Today I am going to show you document processing tools from Zoho One package. It's Zoho Notebook to take notes, Zoho Writer for documents, Zoho Sheets for Excel-like tables, and Zoho Show to build beautiful presentations. So let's take a look at these tools. Let's start with a list of Zoho applications available for us in this context. And you can see that we have 8 applications in the list. Let's start with Zoho Notebook. This is a great tool to collect different pieces of data in one place during your workflows. And you can share this data with different users, with external customers, and collect different kind of this data, like creating articles, building checklists, set reminders for your data, for your articles, make drawings, change attributes, tag your information, and different other useful functions. You can see now how set reminder, how to spell check your text, how change background of the article, and share this data with your colleagues. It's a simple tool, very useful and easy to understand and learn. Now we can share this article with another user, allow view or edit this data. As well, we can have a link to this data. We can send the link or share this data just with the application. Now our colleague is informed about the new data shared with him. We can create another notebook. It's a kind of folder where we can collect different types of data. By default, every article has a different color, just to distinguish them better. And now I show you how you can make some drawings. And save this drawing in the same application, in the same folder. You can easily move and copy with drag and drop or with right click button. You can change name and view of your notebooks. As I said, it's easy to use and very useful tool for every manager or employee. Let's create a to-do list For our video, for every day, we need to create a video. Day 1st, day 2nd, etc. etc. You can move items easily with drag and drop technology as well, and mark them as completed. You can see the functions you can use for this. For example, copy or move or tag your article. Tags allow us to organize our data better and search this data more efficiently. I believe everybody is familiar with Microsoft Excel application or Google Spreadsheets. Zoho has the same applications for tables. They call it Zoho Sheets. And we can create a table. And it's very familiar interface for everybody, I believe, who have used MS Excel or Google Spreadsheets. So there nothing to add about this application. You can use formulas, you can format your data, change rows and columns, as well as share the data with your users with different level of access. Change permissions, allow commenting, for example. And you have different functions to work with these documents. Now you can see shared document and recent documents. You can mark them as favorites, but sometimes you need to refresh your browser page to see all updates. I am happy to present you Zoho Show application. It's a great tool to build presentations for your business with a lot of different templates, functions, animations, etc. etc. You have a repository of a lot of resources you can use. Moreover, you can export ready presentations in different formats and share these documents with your colleagues, partners, and customers. It's easy to use and very powerful tool to collaborate when you build your presentations within your team, or maybe with external teams as well. You can choose a template, pre-built and ready to use. make some minor or major changes, use data from other tools of Zoho, and build your presentations in terms of minutes or hours, depending on complexity of it. And now I'm showing you the writer, Zoho Writer. It's a word processing tool. As well as other tools of Zoho, they are very familiar to use. And has all these mechanisms of sharing, collaborating, commenting, and exporting for external or internal use. If you have ever used Microsoft Word or Google Sheet, it will be easy to adapt you to this writer application. Now Zoho Writer has integration with ChatGPT technology to assist you when you write some text, paraphrasing it, checking for spelling, rewriting, changing context. You can share this document with external users or with your colleagues. The same collaboration functions are available for all tools of Zoho. Just try to use these tools, document processing tools from Zoho platform, and you can see how easy and comfortable you will feel. You can upload local file from your computer or from URL and convert this file to Zoho platform format, or just save it as it is. Zoho has version control mechanism for all their documents. The next lesson is for the security tool called Zoho Vault.